Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Music and Tech again. This is Kevin. So this will be our last video for this series. Again, we are at the Alameda County Fairgrounds here in Pleasanton, California for this Good Guys West Coast car show. So it's a car show for classic cars. The oldest that I've seen is almost 100 years old and up to the 1990s. So there's really a lot of cars here on display. So a lot of owners of these cars, it's like a party for them, to come here and gather, bring out your classic cars that you've been storing or you've been taking care of for all these years or decades even. So this car show is like a yearly thing here in California, but the organizer of this car show goes around the whole country, and for California it's like every August of each year they have this car show. So maybe next year I'll be back because it's really fun here. The atmosphere is really festive, and there's really a lot of cars that you can see, and they are not old cars wherein you can see them as worn down, dilapidated. They are well maintained, they are refurbished, and they are all beautiful. Yeah, it's a very fun place here. Yeah, so I'm cutting off the you cannot hear the original music, the sound here, because there's really like background music playing, and if I allow it, then there will be a copyright claim for this video, so I don't want to do that. But overall, it's a nice experience. It's my first time to be here, and it's all worth it to be here and to pay the entrance and everything just to be in this car show. My camera battery already ran out, but I'm using a charger while doing this video. So I'm actually heading out, going to to my car. But this one's really a huge place to be here. So there'll be a lot of walking, a lot of sun. But I can see a lot of families like go here together, enjoying, because this one's a nice place. Oh, wait a minute. This one is a truck. It looks like if you've seen the Transformers, cartoons, the animation, that's the old model of the Optimus Prime. So you have the old model of the Bumblebee here and the old model of the Optimus Prime in one location. That's interesting. Wow, this one are like twins. Supposedly Cadillacs, I suppose. To be Cadillacs, I think. Yeah. These are hot rods, I think. Yeah, you can see some families, they bring their picnic cart here and they have a meal together on the grounds. Yeah, it's a family-friendly event. And they have food everywhere. There's music. It's really lively. Very festive atmosphere. So we're almost out, almost there. But I do hope you guys that you enjoyed all the videos. Yeah, a lot of people are really here. But we're almost at the entrance. And you really have to go in to see those cars that are competing for the best car. Yep, I think I'll end my video series here. If you like this video and this series, please click like, and then if you want to see my other video series, then please do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Be in good health and stay safe. Have a good day. Goodbye.